Hey, buddy.
Screw the crap. How's it going?
I just got back from Goodwill.
Goodwill? What the heck are you doing at Goodwill?
Trophies, man.
What are you talking about, Jason?
Yeah, trophies.
Jason, these trophies aren't even yours. This is a Fraud Cook award to Julio Sanchez. What are you gonna do with trophies that aren't even yours?
I know, but you can't tell whose they are unless you look at them.
Anybody ever tell you you're an idiot?
A few people. Well, anyway, what are you doing?
Gee, Jason, I don't know. I'm baking bread. What does it look like I'm doing? I'm working on my Jeep.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. It breaks down all the time. I don't know if it's a head gasket, the radiator isn't working. Probably didn't even have gas in it. It's not like I drive anywhere.
Maybe you didn't plug it in?
You idiot. Go home.